What's up, guys? It's Mr. Geek here. A little bit on, it's probably, that's probably like 8 years since I'd last done a YouTube video. Don't matter. Graduated, gone to uni, got a job, lived in this house, working in this job for like 2 months, and the contract was, for 2 months, and then it was a month by month rolling contract, and the landlords kicked me out literally on the day of that the second month finished. So you're really busting my balls here. So I was really pissed off, but I made a nice little model. Um, the landlord's Asian, so it's definitely the wrong size for him. But just walk you through it quickly. Diameter is 50 centimeters of the shaft. Oh bloody hell! And the balls are 35 centimeters radius, so 70 meters diameter. What I did to make it, if you were wondering, obviously you do a 2D sketch, normal 2. You do a 2D sketch and revolve it around the central axis to create the tube. And if you want to have just a hollow tube, then you use the shell function at that moment. But if you want to have the balls that are hollowed as well, then you have to do the shell when it's all assembled. This is serious engineering work. Let's not dick around. So I started off with the shaft and produced this, and then I moved on to, it's quite simple to be honest, it's as simple as it gets. Did 2 semicircles in the locations that I thought was appropriate, with some weird just pretty much random, but I wanted the center point to just overlap in the middle, so you wouldn't have a weird teat. So taking this and then doing a revolved boss around the central axis of the semicircle. This formed the 2 spherical balls, and then ensuring the main shaft was directly in the middle of the 2 spherical balls, I used a sweep to connect them and to smooth out the joinings, and you can see there's no gaps there, so that's good. So that's that. The split line I used to add definition, I think you would say. And then, as I said, the shell is to hollow out the structure, and it's really easy. You literally just type in shell. Don't click anything. If you type anything, it's just like selecting size. Or if you just click shell and click OK, it will hollow out and just leave that wall thickness that you've defined. So for me, it's 1 centimeter. Obviously, there's no stress calculations on this. That was it. Yeah, super simple. It's just revolution of that, and then like that. Let's split line. I was gonna send this to a mate just because I've got engineer mates and they'd find this funny. There you go. Solidworks having a fit. The dildo of consequences rarely arrives lubed. Is what I put on the inside. Obviously that's embossed, ribbed for her pleasure. This sphere is hollowed, and well, this is meant to be like one of those Chinese finger boxes where it's like a challenge. Send it to a mate and say find out what the message is, and the only way to find out was either section view, which is pretty common for engineers, or looking through the port access here. But that was all. Just thought I'd show that. It's kind of funny. But yeah, just sticking around. Cheers.